Right now we're logging into our MELDapp and we have our NAMI connected to our MELDapp. And if you click over to the left-hand side, you can see our MELD. And we're going to click on our MELD on Cardano with our NAMI wallet. Okay, so if you're having any issues, that's what this video is for. So as you can see here, I'm clicking on my MELD on Cardano with my NAMI. And we're bridging from Cardano to the MELD chain with our MELD tokens, okay? So our goal is to get that NFT. So what I've done is I've gone through my account one as well as my Trezor Model T. This is my account one. It's just a hot wallet, and I'm getting this error, unknown error. So what I did to fix this was I went to a different account on my NAMI. So I switched over to account one. And I have some MELD on there as well. And comment down below if this fixed this for you as well. So it doesn't work with my Trezor, but this method worked. Okay, so it is with my NAMI. So it's MELD that I have with my NAMI. And I was able to get this transaction to go through. Okay, so I'd like to hear your comments. I recommend trying with your MELD on Cardano with your non-custodial as well. Give that a shot. So these are my wallets. The only one that seemed to work was this one. And that was my account too. And I did not have a VPN with all methods. So that's just to give you an idea. So next you're going to claim your NFT, connect a wallet, and you're going to copy this wallet connect address. Okay, and you're going to go to your top right on your app, and that's what the connect wallet connect was about for the announcement. So you're going to paste that, and you're going to hit this link button, and now you're going to click on the MELD logo, and now you can mint your NFT. Okay, so this one was number 100, I believe, or number 101. So that's the number that I got. Very cool. And it's very simple. But again, I recommend if you're having any issues, perhaps just set up a new NAMI wallet. So there you can see my Taurus, a NFT. You have about 13 days to claim. And that's about it. I just wanted to keep this short and sweet. For whatever reason, Ledger or my Trezor did not work, but it did work with my NAMI hot wallet under a separate account. So comment down below if this video helps.